guys, today we have a chance to film not like I'm cooking, but like I'm sleeping. Because I haven't slept this night almost.
Cook like Ukrainians.
I was preparing, not cooking, my personal exhibition that I've launched this morning. By the way, in Ukrainian language we have the same word. Preparing and cooking we called готувати. Готувати is the verb. So, I was not only preparing, but also cooking Ukrainian drink called COMPOTE. It's not alcoholic drink, and I will show you how to cook it.
Cook like Ukrainians.
But also today will be a bit of off-top, a part of my speech on that exhibition and several of my photos. Maybe it would be interesting for you to know the other side of my life. There is currently no way to share your state with another person. Because state is an interweaving of the intangible, a chain of associations, a picture of your past, lived experience, and a mixture of feelings, fragments of the self, and filters of your unique perception. Art is the only chance to invite another for a short moment, for a wink, to look at the world through your eyes, to be you, to be your world. And if possible, you will intertwine with the author with braids, as if in the movie Avatar, because you have read his poem, or have seen a picture he has done, or a photo he's taken, from the inside, as if with your eyes, your soul, your shape. I'm also convinced that if a person can see, he is already an artist, he is already a poet and a writer and, in general, like all of us here. I believe all this is the root of the same, the divine in us, the ability to create, not destroy. And yet, this balance cannot be sustained. Where there is a creation, there is bound to be destruction. As the Stoics said, the barrier is part of the path. the very obstacle helps to advance the cause. That which stands in the way becomes the way itself. My way to be resilient, it is to have more clarity and less fear, more purposefulness and less inertia, more attention and less distraction, more conscious actions and fewer emotional reactions, more appreciation and less resentment, more determination to change what is available and less anxiety about what is beyond your control, more responsibility and fewer regrets. As we know, courage is not shown when everything is good, but when you cope with difficulties and resist adversity. We become what we pay attention to. I choose to pay attention to the creation, not those trying to destroy it. I was this drop of rain running down an antique past. This empty bench resting from the presence of a traveler. These spirits cutting the path of the court river walk. This window ending in a narrow, high broken arch, and the clouds clinging to it. These shadows that, violating the laws of material bodies, do not consist of atoms and molecules. This is my freedom, not to be a slave, neither circumstances nor inevitability. And here I am. Our life is full of beautiful paradoxes. The great journey actually begins not when the ship leaves the shore, but when it is wrecked. My downfall, war, was the beginning of another incredible journey. And I'm sailing stormy waters to be free, as the song says.
I am sailing stormy waters to be near you, to be free.
Subscribe and click the bell. More videos coming soon.